Yes, my dear students, coordination 50 most important bits. Coordination is the process of option A, digestion of food, option B, control and regulation of body activities, option C, removal of waste, option D, blood circulation. The right answer is option B. Next bit, control and coordination in humans is brought about by option A, digestive system, option B, circulatory system, option C, nervous and endocrine systems, option D, respiratory systems. The right answer is option C. Next bit. The basic structural and functional unit of nervous system is option A, brain, option B, nerve, option C, neuron, option D, spinal cord. The right answer is option C. Next, neuron consists of option A, cell body only, option B, axon only, option C, dendrites only, option D, cell body, dendrites, axon. The right answer is option D. Dendrites helps in option A, carrying impulses away from cell body, option B, producing hormones, option C, receiving nerve impulses, option D, muscle contraction. The right answer is option C. Next bit. Axon carries nerve impulses, option A, towards the cell body, option B, away from the cell body, option C, in all directions, option D, randomly. The right answer is option B. Next bit. The junction between two neurons is called option A, nodes, option B, synapse, option C, ganglion, option D, reflex. The right answer is option B. Next bit. Chemical substance released at the synapse are option A, hormones, option B, enzymes, option C, neurotransmitters, option D, antibodies. The right answer is option C. Next bit. Which part of the brain controls voluntary actions? Option A, medulla oblongata, option B, cerebellum, option C, cerebrum, option D, hypothalamus. The right answer is option C. Next bit. Cerebellum controls option A, thinking, option B, breathing, option C, balance and posture, option D, hunger. The right answer is option C. Next, medulla oblongata controls option A, memory, option B, reflex actions, option C, involuntary actions, option D, intelligence. The right answer is option C. Next bit. Reflex actions is controlled by option A, brain, option B, spinal cord, option C, cerebellum, option D, hypothalamus. The right answer is option B. Next, the pathway followed by reflex action is option A, nerve impulses, option B, reflex arc, option C, synapse, option D, ganglion. The right answer is option B. Next bit. Which is not a part of reflex arc? Option A, receptor, option B, sensory neuron, option C, motor neuron, option D, hormone. The right answer is option D. Next bit. Endocrine glands secretes option A, enzymes, option B, hormones, option C, neurotransmitters, option D, antibodies. The right answer is option B. Hormones are secreted directly into dash. Option A, nerves, option B, ducts, option C, blood, option D, lymph only. The right answer is option C. Next bit. Which gland is called the master gland? Option A, thyroid gland, option B, adrenal gland, option C, pituitary gland, option D, pancreas. The right answer is option C. Pituitary gland is located at the base of option A, heart, option B, brain, option C, spinal cord, option D, kidney. The right answer is option B. Next bit. Thyroxine hormone is secreted by option A, pituitary gland, option B, adrenal gland. Option C, thyroid gland. Option D, pancreas. The right answer is option C. Next, thyroxine regulates. Option A, growth only. Option B, metabolism. Option C, reproduction. Option D, blood pressure. The right answer is option B. Next bit. Deficiency of iodine causes. Option A, diabetes. Options B, goiter. Option C, dwarfism. Option D, gigantism. The right answer is option B. Insulin is secreted by option A, thyroid, option B, pituitary, option C, pancreas, option D, adrenal. The right answer is option C. Insulin controls the levels of option A, proteins, option B, fats, option C, glucose in blood, option D, minerals. The right answer is option C. Deficiency of insulin causes option A, anemia, option B, diabetes mellitus, option C, goiter, option D, obesity. The right answer is option B. Adrenal gland are located on option A, heart, option B, lungs, option C, kidneys, option D, liver. The right answer is option C. Next, adrenaline is known as option A, growth hormone, option B, emergency hormone, option C, sex hormone, option C, option D, digestive hormone. The answer is the right answer is option B అండి. ఎమర్జెన్సీ హార్మోన్ అంటే ఫైట్ ఆర్ ఫ్లైట్ హార్మోన్ అని కూడా అంటారండి. నెక్స్ట్ బిట్. అడ్రినలిన్ ప్రిపేర్స్ ద బాడీ ఫర్ ఆప్షన్ ఏ స్లీప్, ఆప్షన్ బి రెస్ట్, ఆప్షన్ సి ఫైట్ ఆర్ ఫ్లైట్ హార్మోన్, ఆప్షన్ డి డైజెషన్. ద రైట్ ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ ఆప్షన్ సి. Which hormone increases heart beat during emergency? Option A, thyroxine. Option B, insulin. Option C, adrenaline. Option D, estrogen. The right answer is option C. Next bit. Testis secretes. Option A, estrogen. Option B, progesterone. Option C, testosterone. Option D, insulin. The right answer is option C. Ovaries secretes option A, testosterone, option B, adrenaline, option C, estrogen and progesterone, option D, thyroxine. The right answer is option C. Next, hormones act option A, very fast, option B, slowly but for long duration, option C, only locally, option D, only in brain. The right answer is option B. Next bit. Nerves control is option A, slow and long lasting, option B, fast and short lived, option C, chemical only, option D, permanent. The right answer is option B. Which system works with a nervous system for coordination? Option A, digestive system, option B, endocrine system, option C, excretory system, option D, respiratory system. The right answer is endocrine system. That means answer B. Next bit is growth hormone deficiency in childhood causes. Option A, gigantism, option B, dwarfism, option C, acromegaly, acromegaly, option D, obesity. The right answer is option B. Next bit. Excess growth hormone in childhood causes. Option A, dwarfism, option B, diabetes, option C, gigantism, option D, goiter. The right answer is option C. Next bit. Hormones are called A chemical messengers, option B, enzymes, option C, nutrients, option D, neurotransmitters. The right answer is option A. Next bit. Which hormone controls water balance in kidneys? Option A, insulin, option B, ADH, option C, thyroxine, option D, adrenaline. The right answer is option B. Next bit. Hypothalamus links option A brain and nerves, option B brain and endocrine system, option C brain and spinal cord, option D heart and brain. The right answer is option B. Which part of the brain maintains body temperature? Option A cerebrum, option B cerebellum, option C hypothalamus, option D medulla oblongata. The right answer is option C. Next bit. Plant hormones are called option A neurotransmitters, option B enzymes, option C phytohormones, option D vitamins. The right answer is option C. Next bit. Oxygen helps in option A leaf fall, option B cell elongation, option C fruit ripening, option D seed dormancy. The right answer is option B. Next bit. Gibberellins helps in option A growth of stem, option B inhibiting growth, option C leaf fall, option D dormancy. The right answer is option A. Next bit. Cytokines promote option A aging, option B cell division, option C dormancy, option D leaf fall. The right answer is option B. Next bit. Abscisic acid causes option A cell division, option B growth promotion, option C growth inhibition, option D germination. The right answer is option C. అబ్సెసిక్ యాసిడ్ ని అబ్సెసిక్ యాసిడ్ అని అడగడండి, ఏబిఏ అంటాడండి. నెక్స్ట్ బిట్. ఇథైలిన్ ఈజ్ రెస్పాన్సిబుల్ ఫర్ ఆప్షన్ ఏ సెల్ ఎలాంగేషన్, ఆప్షన్ బి లీఫ్ ఫాల్, ఆప్షన్ సి ఫ్రూట్ రైపెనింగ్, ఆప్షన్ డి రూట్ గ్రోత్. ద రైట్ ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ ఆప్షన్ సి. నెక్స్ట్ బిట్. విచ్ హార్మోన్ ఈజ్ gaseous? Option A auxin, option B ethylene, option C cytokinin, option D gibberellin. The right answer is option B. Next bit. Coordination in plants is mainly through option A nervous system, option B endocrine system, option C hormones, option D muscles. The right answer is option C అండి. Next bit. Response of plants towards light is option A geotrophism, option B hydrotrophism, option C phototrophism, option D thigmotrophism. The right answer is option C. Next bit. Response of roots towards gravity is option A phototrophism, option B geotrophism, option C hydrotrophism, option D hemotrophism. The right answer is option B. Next bit. Coordination helps the organisms to option A maintain internal balance, option B respond to stimuli, option C survive in environment, option D all the above. The right answer is option D.